Hi, Chef Joe with Healthy Kids Inc. and today we're going to be making turkey avocado focaccia. So, we have our focaccia rolls here that we've sliced in half. And the first thing we did in advance is make a little bit of a compound butter. Simply, it's softened butter with a little bit of lime zest, a very small amount of lime juice, and a little bit of salt, and just mixed all together in our bowl here. Okay, so we want to take our lime butter and spread it out on our focaccia rolls here. Okay, so we've spread our lime butter. Now we're going to arrange some thin slices of avocado. Okay, going to take some of our turkey. We have some thinly sliced green pepper. Add a little bit of crunch. And finally some sliced grape. Just like that, and all that's left to do now is to plate these up, and we'll show you the finished product in just a couple of minutes.